Why does my dog do that? Today we will show 10 weird dog behaviors and what are their meanings. As humans, it's hard for us to make sense of many canine body language and social cues. A dog's desire to sniff butts, hump legs, and chase his own tail just doesn't translate. To help you better understand your dog's odd habits, we rounded up 10 weird dog behaviors. Please watch the video till the end and mention in the comment section below what your pet is up to. Tail chasing is often playful, especially if your dog is young. Many dogs chase their tails because they're getting to know their bodies, see it as a chew toy, or because it's a nervous habit. You must have seen your dog running around after pooping. Your dog might be marking its territory as dogs have scent glands in their paws. Or it might just feel free and relieved after pooping. They might simply be following their instincts or training. Dogs dig in the ground for many reasons: to escape, to track animals, to make a cool spot to lie, or to hide something important to them. These behaviors result from a wide variety of causes. They could mean boredom, anxiety, dry skin, pain or arthritis, or allergies. Licking dry skin is a dog's attempt at relieving the dryness. Have you ever watched your dog drag himself across the floor with his bottom on the ground? It's called scooting, and it means there's something irritating your dog's anus, and it's possible that your pup's anal sacs are full and needs to be expressed. If your dog is sniffing the air, he has likely sensed danger or is tracking a threat or prey. A dog sniffing the air doesn't bark, growl, or howl to avoid alerting his target. A dog can also sniff other dogs or even people to see if they can become friends. If your dog lies down and exposes his belly, he's trying to show respect. He's feeling confident and relaxed with you being around. Walking in circles before lying down. If you see your dog walking in circles before lying down, you should understand that he is looking for the most comfortable place to rest. It is often a sign of anxiety or nervousness. Your dog is probably trying to feel safer by staying close. The wind smells so good. So during a drive, a dog sticks its head out of the window to enjoy the infinite number of new and interesting smells zipping by. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the Mad Hat.